Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert XML files to JSON. So here we have a directory with three XML files, and basically it is just a simple order. So here it is, and we want to convert it to JSON. I have already created source and target directories. So all I need to do now is to create transformation, and we'll call it XML to JSON. There's nothing to validate, so we just delete validator. Our data source type is file system. And same for the writer. So what we want to do next, we want to change file name extension from XML to JSON. We'll do it by using replace suffix function. Very easy. So just double click, say, so I'm going to change .xml to .json. And now we use XML to JSON transformation function. And basically that's it. All we need to do now is to press run button. And job should be done. So the way it works, the entire content of the file is loaded into the memory one by one. Then in memory it is converted from XML to JSON, and again saved into a separate folder using another writer. So let's check that it is actually locked. Okay. For some reason it did not. So let me have a look. What's wrong with that? Perhaps I forgot to set yeah, read file content. See, people make mistakes. Let's try again. Okay, here's our JSON file. As you can see, it was easy. Thank you for watching. And if you have any issues or would like to make a suggestion, please post it on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.